I've been a fan of Heston Blumenthal for over 20 years, and no chef has had a bigger influence on me in the kitchen and the way I cook. This Christmas, I wanted to make it special by cooking his perfection Christmas feast. In 2007, he cooked a magnificent dinner for 6 celebrities, and I am determined to reproduce it. Heston is known for wild and wacky combinations, such as snail porridge, crab ice cream, and many, many more. But in reality, he's totally invested in one thing, making the best possible version of a dish he can. His motto under his actual coat of arms is question everything. Question the ingredients, question the technique, question the combinations. His flagship restaurant, the Fat Duck in Bray, once named the best restaurant in the world, has an invention kitchen where he and his team can test out these very ideas. Nowhere is his philosophy more evident than his 2006 series In Search of Perfection, where he takes staple and familiar recipes and examines them to be the best version that he can. Classics such as roast chicken, fish and chips and trifle are all given the Heston treatment. Riding high on his success, he was commissioned to make a Christmas special. His guests were Terry Wogan, Kirsty Walk, Rob Brydon, Sue Perkins, Dara O'Brien and Richard E. Grant. They were treated to a 4-course meal with 4 amuse-bouche that were all pure Heston, the marriage of sceptical thinking, quirky but delicious combinations and a heavy dose of nostalgia. Heston's approach is a huge influence on me, and I wanted to pay tribute to that by attempting to recreate it in my home kitchen. None of these recipes are strictly documented anywhere. As far as I know, they're all one-offs from the TV show, but a lot of them lean heavily on techniques from his other cookbooks and shows, so I've tried to piece it together and done research to attempt them. Make no mistake, I don't think this is going to be easy or straightforward. Heston's recipes are detailed and often involve a lot of waiting around for things to freeze or things to set. I've made a few tweaks along the way to make it accessible for a lowly home cook like me. I don't own a freeze dryer or a Packajet, nor have easy access to reindeer milk, but I hope I've captured the magic of a perfect Heston Christmas. Join me in this series and let's have some fun in the kitchen. Hit subscribe to ensure you don't miss an episode, and I'll catch you next time.